Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or have solved problem of FaceApp. We click on settings. Then here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about FaceApp. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone. And you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.